staying with North Korea.
Global energy consumption is increasing, and we will face a shortage of fossil fuels in the coming decades. Therefore, the availability of renewable source of energy is an important source of concern. If we were able to capture and use the energy from just 2 minutes of sunlight falling on the earth, it would be enough to fuel our cars, light and heat our buildings, and provide for all of our other electricity needs for an entire year. Simply put, we humans are not facing a shortage of energy. We are facing a technical challenge in capturing it and delivering it to consumers. And one of the most efficient ways to meet the challenge is to invest in better ways to store it.
Oh, nice. Ba't mo pinatay? Nanonood, diba?
Hindi ka naman nanonood dyan, nagsa-cellphone ka lang.
Matrastas kasi.
Tumigil ka na nga, kanina pa kumag yung TV na yan. Anong oras na? Ang taas-tasan ng kuryente natin, tsaka load mo. Hindi ka naman nanonood.
Bilis na nga lang ako. Oh, mahal. Magandang umaga. May mga problema ka na naman. Bakit yung tura mo?
Sinaman tinan mo tong bill natin sa kuryente. Ang taas-taas. Paano hindi ka mas-stress yan? Tapos isa pa itong sigurad. Pero ang dami-daming pinubos ng mga gamit. Yung mga TV na yan. Yung laptop. Yung electric fan. Nagsiselfone lang naman. Ang taas na ng kuryente natin. Unti-unti lang mong binibigyan mong pera. Ito, uwanan. Yung bahay dyan.
Ang mahal, tapos yung bill natin. Narinig ko ba ano? Solar panel? Tinatawag nila solar panel.
Yung solar panel yan.
Sila ano, paring Diyos at saka paring Diyos. Magamit na. Tsaka malaki daw yung natitipid na sa kuryente mula nung nagpakabit sila ng kuryente.
Nagpakakabit? Mamaya gastusin lang din yan eh. Dapat nga yung wifi nila, pagkapit pa tayo, ano din yan eh. Bayaran.
Wait lang, tatanong ko muna sila. Tapos muna ako.
Sa dalihan mo. Doon yan!
Bakit po na?
Pumunta ka nga dito, may tatanong ako.
Sige po. Okay, tawag mo ako. Bakit?
May nasabing tatay ng solar panel daw. Para daw makapagsasalta ako kahit ano ba yan?
Ah, solar panel. Mag-alaman na namin dati yan. Kaso nalipunta ka rin. Wait, ang search na lang natin. Sige, panoorin mo.
Good day! Today we will discuss about the solar panels. Did you know that the Philippines has 2 seasons? Dry and wet seasons. But mostly, sun shines over here in the Philippines. That is why it is one of the most perfect places to install solar panels. But first, let me introduce to you what is solar panel. Solar panel is used to convert light from the sun, which is composed of particles of energy called photons, into electricity that can be used to power electrical loads. But how do solar panel works? Solar panels collect clean renewable energy in the form of sunlight and convert that light into electricity, which can then be used to provide power for electrical loads. This entire process is known as the photovoltaic effect. An average home has more than enough roof area for the necessary number of solar panels to produce enough solar electricity to supply all of its power needs, and excess electricity generated goes onto the main power grid, pay off in electricity used at night. The benefits of solar panels. Using solar panels is a very practical way to produce electricity for many applications. The obvious would have to be off-grid living. Living off-grid means living in a location that is not serviced by the main electric utility grid. Remote homes and cabins benefit nicely from solar power systems. No longer is it necessary to pay huge fees for the installation of electric utility poles and cabling from the nearest main grid access point. A solar electric system is potentially less expensive and can provide power for upwards of 3 decades if properly.
Galing ang bubong. Kinabit ko ng natin, solar panel natin.
Sabi na, kasi bigla tayo kuryente. Mahal pa naman nagbili natin doon.
Oo nga eh.
Hi! Ito niyo yung bill!
Patingin mo.
Ang baba na ng kuryente natin.
Oo nga. Effective na yung solar panel.
Oo nga, so imagine mo, 10 taon natin magagamit yung solar panel. Malaking matitipid natin.
Oo nga eh, no? Yaman na tayo.
Oo nga.